Hello my sewing friends, here is my latest fabric haul. I'm Jen and this is the sewing room where the work table has a whole lot of new fabric stacked, and I want to show you all of this. But first I want to mention that, gosh, do I ever stop talking about this place? It's all from the Scrap Exchange in North Carolina. I was able to go there recently. They're a wonderful organization. I talk about them endlessly. There's a link to them below in the description box. They have classes, they have art from local artists, they have textiles, they have hobby stuff, they have everything, and it's all donated. It's all thrifted. So, good cause. And honestly, I heard one time from someone in the UK. I was in York and I was shopping in all the charity shops, and I walked into one and I said, "You're killing me here." And she said, "Well, you're not spending money, you're giving to a good cause." And I thought, I like that kind of thinking. So I gave to the cause kind of generously. Well, in my view, but boy, I came away with some treasures. So let me jump in here and just show you what I got. This is a pink interlock knit. It has purple and aqua, and there are 3 yards of it here, and it is 60 inches wide, so a lot of knit. And I like interlock knit because it's stretchy, but it has decent recovery, and I believe this is probably polycotton, because I don't know, it just has that feel to it. I don't think it's 100% cotton. So 3 yards of that one. I got this polycotton. It's kind of like quilting cotton, but it's not. It's more like just a, I don't even know what to call it. It's like a calico cotton. It's fairly thin. It's not a cotton voile, but it is like a quilting cotton. But I think it's polycotton, and it's 45 wide, and there is, how much of this one? 3 1/4 yards at 42 inches wide, and I love the print here. It's a little bit sheer, but I don't think so much so that it would necessitate a lining or anything. I have plans for this. I wanted to make a maxi skirt, and I didn't get it done in time for a challenge that I wanted to get it done in time for, but I don't know. I'm not sure if that's the dress that I want to do it in now, and so I don't know. I've got that set aside, so we'll see. This is a rayon challis that, oh, I couldn't believe I found. A lot of these fabrics were rolled up like remnants, but they're not remnants because they are 3 4 yards of fabric sometimes. A lot of them were 2 yards, a lot of them were, I don't know, like a little over a yard, something like that. This one is 1 7/8 yards, and it's just this beautiful, beautiful rayon challis. It feels wonderful. It drapes beautifully. That is going to make a pretty dress or a pretty top. This is a crepe of some sort, like a silky. It's all polyester. It is woven, and there are 3 7/8 yards of this. It's fairly sheer, but I'll tell you what, it is so pretty. It's the kind of dress, it's the kind of fabric that you would use for a nice dress. So, see that little tulip print? And, you know, you can see how sheer it is, but boy, isn't that pretty? And almost 4 yards, just under 4 yards. Gosh, so many things I could do with that. This is just a quilting cotton, and there's only a yard of it here, but I just couldn't pass it up because I am a sucker for these kinds of prints. Just so pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll think of something, because I don't know, it just looks like china to me, like fine china. I don't know, probably very reminiscent of the 1980s, which is one of my favorite eras. in terms of style and all of that. This is a polished cotton, probably a drapery cotton. And on the little tag, it said that it was 44 inches wide. But, you know, I washed it, and you can easily tell that is not 22 inches. So it's more like 34 inches wide. So it's this really nice pastel stripe. And I think probably this is the kind of weight that would be good for a sundress or for a skirt. And I have a pattern in mind for this. It's an older, I think it's a butterick pattern. And it has princess seams and straps that cross in the back. I think on the pattern they style it like a bridesmaid's dress or a formal dress, but I think it would be really pretty as a sundress. So I like this for that. I got this Khaki Twill, and it gave you a yardage. I mean, it said that it was 1.5 yards at 55 wide, but you know, it has a hem. I've taken it off, but it has a hem and a serged edge, and it's a nice bottom weight. You know, that would make a great skirt or a pair of pants. Just really nice weight for that. And it's just a basic khaki. Just a twill. I wonder if it was a curtain and they mistook it for fabric, but who knows, because they sure didn't get that polished cotton width right. I don't know. I don't care. This is just some knit lining that I found. It's pretty substantial. It's not the thin stuff that you can get to line a dress with, but I was thinking swimsuits. It's just, you know, basic lining, and there are 1 3/4 yards here, and it is 66 inches wide, so very wide. That's a lot for a swimsuit. I mean, many swimsuits will be lined with that. I have 2 shirtings here. I don't know if these are 100% cotton. They might be. I think one of them is, but I don't know. They might be poly cotton. I don't know. I think they're 100% cotton, but they're just shirtings, which I love shirting fabric. It's light. It's not like lawn, but it approaches lawn, cotton lawn, and I just like. I don't know. You can do so much with a shirting. So this one, has a denim kind of pinstripe, and then this very tiny thread of yellow between the pinstripes. Boy, I mean, it's a thread. And there is, let's see, 5 yards of this one. That's a lot of shirting. So I'll be able to do a lot with this one. Not sure what it'll be, but I'll come up with something, trust me. The other shirting is this one, and it's just a pinstripe. Beautiful pinstripe. And once again, how many things can you think of to do with this? This one is 3 yards. Love that blue and white. Give me blue. Give me all the blues. All of the blues. They had tables full of, linens. And so I found this one. This is not a woven plaid. It's just a printed plaid. And, you know, as is my custom, guess what this is? It's a shower curtain. I have to say that I made a dress from a shower curtain recently, and gosh, there were people that said, "You made a dress from a shower curtain?" Well, let me clarify. There are 2 kinds of shower curtains. There are the plastic ones that can be, you know, all by themselves, and you put them on the inside of the tub and the water hits them and keeps the water from going onto the floor. And then they also have fabric ones like this, and like the one I used to make my dress. And those, they go on the outside, and then you put a plastic liner on the inside. So just so you know, I'm not making these things out of plastic. No, but I really liked the plaid. Once again, blue. Give me all of the blue. This was the find of the day. I have 7.5 yards of it, and it is an indigo denim. It is not a bold denim. It does have a little bit of give to it, just a tiny bit of stretch. Not much, but it has some. You can kind of see. And it's not just a bias stretch. It has more stretch on the bias, but it does have some crosswise stretch. And so, yeah, I couldn't believe I found that. It is just your basic indigo denim. There is so much of it here. There was a roll of it, and I just took the whole roll. So what I'm thinking I will do with this is take it and use it to distress it. I need a jean skirt, so that's in the plans. It's rattling around my head. And, you know, whoever needs jeans, or I could do some more of the Mountain View jeans from Itch to Stitch because I really liked those. But I just have denim for the rest of my life. I wonder if I'll ever use it all up. And it's, man, this stuff's heavy. I thought, boy, if my suitcase is over the limit, it's going to be because of that denim. So that's my fabric haul from the Scrap Exchange. I have one other thing that I want to show you. I picked this up and put it down, and then I thought, yeah, you know what, I think I want that. It is a Singer buttonhole attachment for any lock stitch machine. I don't know, circa whatever. I have a Singer 99, and then I also have a Featherweight. You can kind of see it like up here. I can't see what I'm pointing to. Anyway, this is the instruction manual, and it looks like this. What a find. What a find. Came with some little attachments inside, little, I don't know, thingies that you use to make it go or do it right or whatever. It does say that it does not require any special skill on the part of the operator. I read that and I thought, okay, all right, I can use this. I can do this. And it does say that it's universal. It will fit on any Singer machine. So we'll see. I don't know. I haven't tried it out yet, but I picked it up. It didn't have a price on it, and so I took it up to the counter, and it was pretty cheap. So I thought, yeah, I think I want that. So that is my fabric haul and my little treasure from the Scrap Exchange. Once again, if you can get over there and go shopping, please do, because everything goes to such a good cause, and there are just such, you know, treasures, little gems to be found. So that's it for now for me, and if you would like to see my actual shopping trip where I bought all this stuff, then just have a look right here, and that's it for now for me. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.